Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the warp tool. The warp tool lets you rework and adjust an image like it was made of rubber. It can be used to distort objects and images. There are numerous modes available for different effects. The strength slider can have a big impact on the usefulness, depending on the image and the mode. The mask source option will crop the part of the image that falls behind the mask. The mask destination option will block the masked part of the image from being altered.